Hello everyone, I'm Carol from VMT. Chinese New Year is the biggest festival in China. All people will go back to their homes and parents' home, eat and chat together, and send the best wishes to their family, relatives and friends. It's the happiest time for everyone. Here, on behalf of all VMT employees, I would like to extend my most sincere New Year blessing to all our customers and partners. May you and your family be happy every day. May happiness and smile always be with you in the new year. I wish you good luck and all the best in the year of the dragon. I wish VMT employees a happier life and partner more prosperity. At VMT, we always focused on technological innovation and teamwork. It is this spirit that has allowed us to achieve certain gains in the past year. In the new year, VMT will continue to pursue excellence and forge ahead. 恭喜发财！
新的一年龙马精神，祝大家身体健康。
新的一年龙马虎啸，祝大家步步高升。
新的一年龙飞凤舞，祝大家快乐幸福。新的一年龙腾虎跃，祝大家财源滚滚。
韦麦特祝大家龙年行大运，新年快乐！